Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send lives to your friends in Fishdom. Sending lives to your friend in Fishdom is a great way to help your friends when they are running low on lives, so let's get started. First of all, open up Fishdom application on your device and from the home screen, tap on the social icon with a two-human figure in it at the bottom left. Now from the left-hand menu, select Friends. You will then be able to see your friend list on the next page. Simply go ahead and tap on the Send button at the bottom right and then select a friend that you want to send the live to. After you choose a friend, tap on Send, and that way you will be able to send lives to your friends whenever they are running low on lives. Your friend will now receive the lives that you sent, and they will be able to use them to continue playing their levels. And that's it. You've successfully sent lives to a friend in Fishdom. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.